Meaning of gnashers.
gnashers,
Gnashers.
gnashers,
gnashers. Gnashers is a colloquial term used to refer to a person's teeth. The word is often used in a humorous or playful way, and may be used to describe teeth that are particularly large, crooked, or prominent. While the term gnashers is not commonly used in formal settings, it is a common part of everyday slang and is often used by comedians and other entertainers to create a sense of lightheartedness and playfulness. Overall, gnashers is a fun and informal way to talk about a person's teeth.